So to start a new file, just do New, Digital, then find the directory where your pictures are. Do sum or the average of the total of the scores. No category, we don't have a category. Now you put in the separator. Maker is the person, and title is the title. And there's all your people with now just a space bar for the moderator, and then each judge taps a key to make sure their keypad is working. And then we're ready. So as they vote, it'll light up yellow. Then when all three vote, it'll be green, and you'll get the score. So these are being averaged. These are real small pictures I took off the internet, off of Pixabay. So they're free to use, but they're small. So don't think that's how it's going to be. They should be. Fill up the screen. And I didn't try and vote, I just tapped some keys randomly. I'm not really voting, just to see how it works. Now we're done. So then you hit score 1 and it will arrange them by score, and just type in however many places you want to have the awards, 1 through HM or less, I guess. And then it has a spreadsheet which has too many columns because it allows for breaking the ties with another vote. But that's pretty easy to fix. We can just erase those other columns. Hopefully we can get a programmer who can just make it so those aren't there. So there you have your spreadsheet. Now we go back and show the winners. So we just click on the winners. And just do a slideshow without voting, just of the winners. There we are, done. Now we can do a new one. This is for the print competition. So since we don't have any photos with names, we're going to do the judge abstain and the average of the judges so that we can see what happens. There's no categories. We have 6 entries. Now you can either type in the name and the title, or just run it with the numbers 1 through whatever, 1 through 6. So I'm going to type in the titles. And then we vote the same. The moderator hits the space key, and the judges each tap a key. So now they're voting. Now you see the 0 there on the third one. That means that judge voted 0 on his own. And then the other 2 are averaged to come up with a total. So it's immediately apparent whether they voted for their own or not. And there's another one. Then we go back, same thing. Just click on the score one, and it arranges them in the order, and you can assign their award. And of course, there's your spreadsheet again, too many columns, but you can see where it says -6, -6, -3. That's where the judge abstained and the other two scores were averaged. So it's also obvious on the spreadsheet what was going on.